Hello medical students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is an update from National Exit Examination. The NEET PG, which is scheduled to held in April-May next year, would be the last examination, and thereafter the admission to postgraduate medical courses would be based on the result of the next examination to be taken by the final year MBBS students. If it is so, the 2019-20 admitted students would take the first next examination next year in December 2023. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi will conduct the next examination instead of National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences, but it is yet to be finalized according to the report. Mock test will be conducted before the main test. These are all some salient information available in the media report regarding next examination. NEET PG to soon be replaced with the next may begin from December 23. According to NMC Act, next will be held as a common qualifying examination. The NEET PG scheduled for April-May next year could be the last examination, as the admission to PG medical courses thereafter will be based on the results of the national exit test to be taken by final year MBBS students, officials have said. At a high level held on Monday, the NMC is learned to have conveyed to the Union Ministry that it intends to conduct the next in December 23, official sources said on Wednesday. If held in December 23, MBBS students of the 1920 batch will have to appear for the examination. The results of the examination will also be used for admission to PG courses from the 24-25 batch, they said. According to the NMC Act, next will serve as a common qualifying final year MBBS examination, a licentiate examination to practice medicine, and for merit-based admission to PG courses, and a screening examination for foreign medical graduates who want to practice in India. The government had invoked in September the relevant provisions of the NMC Act to extend the time limit for conducting next till September 24. According to the law, the Commission had to conduct a common final year undergraduate medical examination next, as specified by regulations, within 3 years of it coming into force. The Act came into force in September 20. The sources said that the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi may conduct the test instead of the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, but a decision on the matter is yet to be taken. Conducting next requires preparations such as working out modalities, syllabus, type and pattern of the examination, officials said. Adding, students will have to given adequate time to prepare for it. Mock test would need to be carried out before the main test. The importance of next lies in the fact that it will be the same for everyone, whether trained in India or any part of the world, and hence it will solve the problem of foreign medical graduates and mutual recognition, officials said. This is the media report regarding next. Then NEET repeat, 45% took test again to better score. It is seen that most of the medical aspirants are repeating the NEET examination to avoid the remittance of huge fees payable to private and deemed to be universities. Students invest in a year's preparation to score top marks and save lakhs in free. This is the media report from the Times of India, Ahmedabad. According to National Testing Agency, there is no restriction on number of attempts for NEET examination. Experts said the number of candidates adopting repeat approach is growing for a solid reason. To study MBBS at a private college, the fees range from rupees 8 lakhs to 14 lakhs are charged. Then another information today, medical colleges demanding high fees warned of action. This is regarding the Tamil Nadu State Medical Counseling. The Health Secretary said the department received many complaints from candidates last year stating that colleges were demanding fees much above the amount prescribed by the Fee Fixation Committee. The Health Department will either withdraw approval or cancel the affiliation of self-financing medical and dental colleges which are found guilty of demanding fees higher than the prescribed amount, Health Secretary said. In a two-page caution notice sent to the self-financing colleges affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Health Secretary said the department received many complaints from candidates last year stating that colleges were demanding fees much above the amount prescribed by the Fee Fixation Committee. Unfortunately, students don't have fee receipts or any other evidence, but we have coordinated with the colleges and ensured that the admission process is smooth in these cases as a first step because we did not want the students to suffer. We have also received thank you letters from candidates. We were not able to act against complaints that were anonymous, said Selection Committee Secretary. Thanks for watching. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.